Yeah, I'm showing my face right now. I don't know, yeah. Like, some dude just posted like a video of him eating ducklings and eggs. I don't even know what they are. But yeah, he said like, yeah, just make a video of it of you watching it. So I'm gonna watch it. I'm on speaker mode. So yeah, you can hear it probably. Yeah, let's start the video then. By the, by the way, this is super disgusting. Hopefully, I don't know. But yeah, it's dead. Yeah.
Welcome to the Food for Louis morning breakfast show. This week I'm going to be eating a Filipino delicacy. This is a duck egg, and inside this egg is a dead, unhatched duckling. So it's going to be nice, and as usual we've got the very well qualified Dr. Bull in the house. Oh, right. Morning eggs. Alright. Let's get this little guy out here and we'll just have a little look before I munch him down. Does not smell good. Right, it's hard to see. Look at his little beak, his little foot. Just to reassure everybody, we didn't kill these ducks. I'm very against killing baby ducklings. This is something we bought as food. The name of it is baloo, and it's a Filipino delicacy, like I said before. So it's yeah, just a nice breakfast time. Like a flop. Oh, wow. Get closer. Wash this guy up. Alright. Wasn't too bad for a dead duckling. But I'm actually still hungry, so I'm probably gonna just have another one. Oh, my Dodge the ball, hang on there. This nearly over. Hang on, Carl. Hang on to it. You alright? That was a very traumatic breakfast. If you'd like to hear about the latest updates and the newest things I'm going to be eating, follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/foodforlouis. And also, we'd love to see your video reactions as responses to these videos. So, upload, add a response below, and yeah, let's have some fun. See you next time.
Oh, I certainly got my food in. That's for sure. And now I'm looking into the camera. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. That's better. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna do this more. Maybe I'm gonna do more of those gameplays or something. I'll probably face down it, and if so, you'll see. So yeah, see ya. Do it. There you go. See you next time.